Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So anyway, we're gonna do the second half of World Stick. It's gonna be a great day. So anyway, let's go into Boulderville Bay.
I love how these intros are created in quality. We're just keeping up with this quality.
Yeah, that's pretty true. Anyway, we hope you enjoyed this video. Alright, Boulderville Base, here we go.
So we're gonna be releasing these things daily, right?
No, hey guys, catch me if you can with the guys. Hey guys, hold on, catch me if you can for the crown. Okay guys, hey guys, try to catch me. Try to get the crown off of me. No.
I have one way to do this.
Well, there's one way.
You want to try? Oh no, give me the catch.
Oh.
You're gonna have to stop instantly. No!
Yes!
It's mine, I'm winning.
Everyone go for
Oh,
you
yeah.
sneaky.
No.
Get over here, Pete.
I'm gonna change the political direction to the direction that I think. Right.
Hey guys!
I'm alive.
And up.
Hey guys, let's see what's here. Guys!
Probably something.
Where am I?
Get down here.
Whoa.
Random pop.
Monday.
Filled with coins.
Ooh,
There's something up here.
Hey guys!
Clearly.
Guys!
Or something down here. I don't know. There's a place of them.
Oh wow,
That's mine.
it's a star! No, it's
like
mine!
mine.
Yeah, it counts you towards it though.
I'm gone.
Mushroom.
I
No, Ethan,
Yeah,
I think
mushrooms
you
are-
should make it to the right all the way. Wait, that's I'm ahead of.
I stood in.
Yeah, let's go to Toad. Oh wow!
Oh no.
Why'd you do that?
I did it.
What?
Oh, you're a cheater.
That wasn't even a cheat. That was just
Like my
different.
grandpa the Koopa always says,
down.
cheat, beat, and be merry.
Bean.
Cheat, beat, and be merry. That's the reference. That's the Super Mario Bros. Super Show.
Oh,
I think I've seen one.
I
watched like the
No,
whole
the
series.
girl.
I remember that one time.
Remember that
one of
one?
you guys showed us Mama Luigi.
Oh yeah,
Mama Luigi,
Mario.
you're Mario.
That's Mama Luigi to you, Mario.
They have a whole bunch of other ones, but that's the only one we remember. And then there's no Mario, like, well, you know,
I'm just
Luigi,
gonna
all
direct
Toads.
Is Hotel Mario part of the list of the worst Mario game?
I think so, yeah.
Hey,
No,
wait,
typing
hey, wait,
Mario.
guys, should we?
Oh, yeah.
Typing Mario 2, typing Mario 1,
Mario teaches typing. Yeah, that was pretty.
typing Mario 64. Now, all I need is a game controller that's like.
Hey guys, wait a minute. Let me see what. Guys,
That's not here.
crying out loud.
Oh, there's that.
Yeah, but hold on.
Let's go.
Guys,
I'm
hold
gone.
on.
Let's go down.
Guys, hold on. Like, look.
Oh,
Oh wow. But luckily,
I can't do the thing. I have the question.
oh wait, can we just count though?
here, so I'm still counting up.
Wow, finally an episode where we didn't all die.
Incredible.
Yay.
Is that the first episode where we didn't die?
Besides the first episode, yes. First level.
Oh, yeah.
That was the first episode that we did not die,
What the
that we knew how to degrade to. In the
uh.
first
Ah!
episode. Now I'm gonna die.
Yeah, because a bunch of people are gonna try to kill you.
Yes!
Let's settle this fight, please.
Okay, I'm gonna jump off the cliff so none of you guys can get it. We're fair and even, just like that. Getting you don't bet.
Come here, boy.
Oh no, it's the one with the Typhoon Flurries.
Come to think of it, this world doesn't make any sense. We're heading from snow level to cloud level to fortress level and every level. I want to kill one of these dudes.
Wah! How do I die? How do I die? Wait, where am I? Oh, I'm right here.
Oh, yeah, let's
Die!
Here.
Oh,
Here,
no, you threw me!
What the heck? Did Toad throw you off?
Me, Toad.
I didn't mean to, I'm sorry.
Hey guys, you could go through. I have to distract it.
Ow. I want to spin. No. No. Oh, you're serious.
Yeah, that's also unfortunate because that's where we get the stamp. Yeah, have fun trying to survive. Oh wow, she survived.
I'm a genius.
Yeah, because he can float. Oh no, Luigi! What the heck?
Why couldn't I climb?
Hey, wait, hold on a second. I see a
Let me get
shadow.
up here. No!
Guys, I see a shadow.
Let me up.
Guys, bait.
Just leave the
You
crowd.
want the
Leave the
bait?
crowd! Leave the
You
crowd!
want the bait?
Leave the crowd or...
No!
Oh my! Don't pod me!
Oh.
Don't pod me! No!
Oh!
Oh. Wait, you stole it from
Okay, leave the crowd.
No, Toad! Hey, Toad!
Hey guys.
Toad!
Yeah, goodbye. Good.
Oh.
Bye, guys. I want to survive.
I can fly! Oh! Listen here, Toad. You have 5 seconds.
Yeah.
I'm gonna let him pull that code.
Listen here,
Guys, someone get the crown off of Toad's head.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Yeah, and also guys, I remember this level mostly of this.
Oh!
Okay, guys.
I can't just climb down mine.
Yay!
I'm alive!
Adios.
Oh wow! I thought you were. I thought you were.
Toad!
I thought you. Everybody died.
Toad! Why are you running?
Hey, why are you running? Why are you running, Toad? We
Toad,
love
lift
you,
me so you have
Toad.
protection.
He runs
Ah.
Toad, lift me so you have protection.
Is Toad that does the
Yeah, I got
Zoe. Toad that doesn't.
Ah.
Toad that
Yes!
doesn't. I'm alive.
Yeah!
No.
We could have kept the streak of not dying, but we all stuck.
I agree.
Yeah.
Oh,
What the?
I was right behind it.
Why are you stealing
Okay,
mine?
guys. Okay, guys.
No!
Okay, guys.
Okay, go Mario, go! Let's go Mario.
Yeah.
Oh wow, and we're all small. Well, except for Toad, but who cares? We're still Toad 5.
Toad is
You're gonna die, Toad.
Guys,
Ah! Ah!
if all of us recover, okay? Ethan, it's not blocking. It's not mattering.
Okay, guys. No! 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 No!
Oh, Toad's still alive. Oh, you're a scam
We'll see about that.
Toad's gonna
Is there
cure
anything
you.
here?
No, we got everything.
Toad's serious point up or something. You don't want to pick her.
No, you get some flag, you're wrong.
Yeah, but
Wait,
when I mean
wait,
everything.
no! No, you cheating!
Come on!
It is not cheating, it is the...
Oh!
Yes, I got 4! Stop!
It's not cheating, it's skill. Something we'll never get.
Actually, Toad was cheating.
Why do we get fireworks?
Because we're awesome.
Because we're fast and die a lot.
Why is there still so many stickers?
Because we're only halfway finished.
Hey
I'm
guys,
fourth.
Third.
I'm second.
Toad.
Hey
Guys,
guys,
me and
it's,
I'm your shield.
it's time for
Okay.
it's time for us to kill Toad.
Ouch.
The loot.
Kyoto house. Toad house. Okay? We do Toad house.
No, don't pull an almighty. Whatever.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna go for a small ball.
I'm gonna
Oh,
get
come
out.
on!
I got it. Let's go.
For crying out loud, why are we always getting mushrooms?
So let's pick
You
the
pick
small
it. Let me pick it. I know which one it is.
No, you don't.
So the next one should be the small one.
Next one, no, it's the big one.
Oh no, not that.
Oh, this one. This one's fun.
I want to play, right?
It's fuzzy time.
That's
Okay,
Okay,
run.
run.
Okay,
Run.
run. Okay, run.
Run.
This is where this is.
Stupid scrolling stage, not letting me get up and fire. Carl will die.
Fear.
Guys.
I don't wanna die. I wanna live.
Wait,
Oh my god! For crying out loud, we got fuzzies coming! Ow! Somebody get the.
I accept your. Oh, I just died.
Guys, I'm kind of. Guys, no, we need to go right.
Guys, we need to get that
Ground
star.
pound.
No,
Ground
I
pound!
You missed it. Oh, I almost died. Oh no.
There's so
We're
many.
done. We're done.
We're dead!
Bruh, this is the coolest enemy in there.
We're all gonna die.
Move faster, Auto Stroll.
Yes, I agree.
I don't want to be consumed alive.
Well, something
Get that
we're
star!
right down here. No,
And
no.
Bubble!
Remember me, brothers.
You know you could just bubble.
No, you must just live.
Oh,
You can't.
I have no
How
idea
come
what
you guys
happened.
are always making the weirdest points? Why, you guys are better at making points than I am.
Because we like.
Skill. I died. I was consumed by the fuzzy spore.
I don't think you were consumed, you were probably crushed.
But guys, don't go. Stop.
Guys,
Let me-
wait up.
Wait, hold up. Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Oh my goodness!
Just do a spin jump onto the flag.
I don't even care. I hate you. Why'd you climb? No, it's not nice.
I mean, you all make it.
Luigi's the cat. Luigi's the cat. Me and Peach are tanukis or raccoons, and
And I was
Toad is
brutally
Snort.
murdered by the
And
fuzzy
Toad is a mushroom.
No, that doesn't make sense. We're all power-ups.
We have a toad in our inventory.
Yes.
I thought Toad was
Time to
gonna
consume
win.
Toad.
That's
What
can-
happened?
That's
to Captain
cannibalism.
You gotta grow up somehow.
You gotta grow big
Whoa.
some way. Some way, somehow.
Gamble.
Yeah,
yeah.
another gamble station.
Yes, they're handing out free one-ups. One-ups that we desperately need.
Yeah, but let's go in here.
We totally don't have.
Oh, it's the
Oh,
mystery.
Yeah. Oh, wait.
My card. Mystery house thrown
Let's see if we
What
can
the
make
heck?
this place a 5-star.
I keep on trying to crouch because I think some people are.
Come
It's
on.
my baseball. I got a baseball. Let's go.
You lost it.
Baseball.
Oh wow, here, let me solve the problem.
Oh, geez, that might be it.
Hey, thanks, guys.
I
You
did
were
it.
supposed to slide down.
But that pretty much worked.
Go!
Hey! Get
Guys,
the-
don't kill me.
Go in. Go in.
Why are there so many baseballs?
I feel like that's the.
It's baseball themed.
Bro, that was actually a big one.
Oh wow.
God,
I'm gonna win.
I'm gonna lose.
And Toad.
Oh,
Press
geez.
the buttons. Press the button.
Press the button!
With your controller.
Ah!
With your controller. Come on,
We did it!
I
We
got
did
a
it,
crown,
we
let's
did it,
go.
Yeah!
Moment of truth.
I mean,
Yes.
Yes.
Whoa.
I feel like one of us get more time to this night.
interesting.
One person actually tried to get this started. Let's just try to kill friends.
You know that's pretty.
Yeah,
You know it's pretty brutal.
Well, it's true. Whoever gets the crown must die.
Nah, that.
Am I wrong? We all try always
Gamble, gamble,
It's
gamble,
religion.
gamble, gamble.
Yeah, so long, guys.
You have the crown, that means you're number one, which means you're gonna die.
Oh, we'll see about that. Okay, guys, remember 3, 2, 1. Okay.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Oh wow,
We did it again!
Hey Toad, high five, Toad, high five. Except
Hey,
High
Mario!
five, Toad, except to scratch your face off.
Nice try, guys. You'll never get the crown off of me.
I know something. We'll also
We
never
don't get it
get
off of you,
7
but
up.
we'll get rid of you.
Wow, just kill someone that
hand me the body
keeps on
bag.
saving you. Bye, guys.
We
We.
committed just as much murder as the rest of us.
I may
That's
have
just
committed
Bob-
more murder.
That's
I
a
may have
Bob
murdered.
Brigade.
Yeah, I like the bomb. They exploded my whole.
Now, please don't do any friendly fire. Also known as eating us off the cliff.
What do you mean?
Yeah, don't yeet. Yeah, don't yeet us.
No, they're
I don't want.
marching.
I don't want to be eat.
They had families, lives.
We.
Fire, bro.
Oh,
Hey,
wow,
guys, enjoy.
I just let you kill a fire bro, Luigi. Like
lost-
I grab patted you, but then you fell on him. Hey guys.
Nothing's about to spawn in things.
Hey wait, do you think there might be something in under there?
Why?
I don't know. I thought you were looking at
Do you know? Bombs are everywhere.
I'm trying to.
I'm not
Mario,
trying.
you still have the crown.
I had the crown on the whole time. What are you talking about?
I have a bomb.
What the
Oh,
heck? How?
I
Yes!
stuck to the bomb.
Now give me the crown. Oh.
But
No one gets a crown.
Hey guys. Hey wait. Can we bomb this? Wait, I think we could bomb this.
Oh yeah. There's a bomb.
I think we left it on.
Who knows? It might only be a star.
Mars.
You know, we might need to do this.
Oh,
Off
this
the
thing up here.
It seems like off the camera thing.
Die.
Oh wow, it's a good point. Oh! Hit the star!
Leave me, brother.
Okay, yeah, we definitely missed the second green star.
I definitely
was
died.
definitely-
What the? Okay, hey wait, go back, go back.
I go back.
Yeah, we-
scroll. Okay, I have an idea.
Okay, wow.
How
Now,
about
now
Okay,
let's
let's do it again.
Well, that sounds like a good idea.
Okay, wow. Just
Now that's an idea.
Just
Oh,
kill
yeah.
ourselves just to get. Oh wow, we just start over. Oh well, at least we don't have to battle over a crown. Wow! Don't kill me, I'm innocent!
Give me it. Give me it.
Are you kidding me? Bomb those. Bomb those bricks!
There's nothing. Let's go.
Whee! Okay, yeah, let me bomb these. Huh.
No, I need to die.
Boy, do I love some puns.
No! You made me
Keep the bomb.
you
Keep the
made
bomb.
me
Hold the
lose-
bomb.
You made me
Hold it.
lose
Keep
my
it, keep it,
beautiful
keep it,
raccoon.
Yes.
You made me lose my beautiful raccoon costume.
I didn't know you.
I was gonna use.
me your
I was
purse.
gonna use that for Halloween.
Loves.
Evan, you like going first? Oh, keep it. Keep it. Keep it.
Let's see if
alright.
it works. Don't you
Okay.
know?
Yeah, over here though.
Wrong one.
Throw it! Throw it!
I
It worked.
I got it. Let's go. I lost my suit, but I lost it. Make me too.
Someone's moving too fast.
Yeah.
It's only from the auto
Yeah.
Song.
Wait. Oh, wait. Keep the
When
bomb
I
to
was
the-
young, I used to think this goes so far.
You threw the bomb off the cliff.
Come on, bomb.
Here, I got the bomb.
Wah! No! Don't kill me! Yay!
You threw it. Oh, there's another one.
Okay.
I am.
Ah!
Evan, get it,
Evan, get it! Evan! No! Evan, what the heck?
Well, I'm sorry, it blew up on me!
No, it didn't. That's good.
You should have fallen down. That's the thing.
So you're saying he
Yeah,
should commit
yeah.
suicide?
No, suicide.
Too late.
Wow, this is gonna last for a long time. Probably whenever we're 8.
Finally.
We're gonna be
No, we should do this off camera. If we can't get it this time, let's just do it off.
Yeah, we can't do that to the viewers. Okay, I thought I was.
Viewers, the loyal viewers. I'm watching this now.
The only
loyal
19
zero
people
viewers.
watching this.
And then that's still a lot.
Yeah, I know it's a lot. Thank you guys for watching. I'm not
Okay,
sure why,
come on. Come here.
Ah! You just killed yourself though.
Aw,
I mean, who would watch us just screaming over a bad bike?
I grew.
Everybody would.
Yeah, I know, right? Well, like how our first videos, like...
No, that's
like,
mine.
50 views.
That's mine.
It's mine now.
Darn it! I hate you.
Our first one has over 50 views, but this, like, there's...
Hey guys, remember we need a bomb to get this. Let's take a star.
We had 50 views on our first video?
More than 50.
More than
actually.
50 actually.
Uh,
We probably
Yeah,
have like
that's right.
70, I guess.
I mean, some other channels have they have way less.
Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Let's not focus on trying to kill ourselves, okay?
It
Because
might just be how bad it is.
yeah, thank
you for
I
saving.
died again. Let's
Thank you for
go.
saving me, Pete.
Do I have a bomb? I have a bomb!
Remember, guys.
Gangway, gangway!
I thought hey! You
I got it.
Someone killed me.
I got it. Let's go.
Hey, wait. We need a bomb for it. Great.
Whatever, we'll do it off
At this point, it's like 20 minutes.
Yeah, we'll do. Yeah, we'll get the stamp off camera, okay?
Yeah.
Toad, why are you
I
so
swear, every time.
Because he's been hit a lot.
Every time we have one of these boss fight boys, like,
I'll save you, Toad.
I think that.
Toad, I'll help you.
Oh wow, now he had a
Yeah, I
shell.
wonder
bomb.
which one is who. Is it the shell?
I got that. Funny.
Toad died.
Toad, I was gonna save you.
Yeah.
Where's Toad?
Now, I know we might need 100 seconds to
Let's
reach
go.
this goal,
Let's go.
so they're
Let's
just
go.
gonna supply us with 100
No.
seconds
No.
to celebrate them.
Let's just let him wait a little bit, guys.
Yeah.
No, I.
Just let them suffer.
No,
Let them take
no,
it.
I don't want it. I don't want her to suffer.
Now Toad's in a jar.
I like how
Toad, go in the jar.
I like how everything is lined up, but it does not. Everything looks so
Those
clear.
fairies
like,
are
it is, but
huge.
Nope.
They're about the size of you.
Whoa!
It is me.
I did nothing that whole level. I was just vibing.
Well, I was trying to help you a little bit, but...
Dang, alright.
Oh, now she's gonna contribute. What's she gonna do? Wrench.
Yes!
It's a wrench.
Finally, a smart person.
Yeah, but how are you gonna make a pipe with only a wrench?
By hitting it.
Like a
No. You take the... No, that's basically an air pipe.
Would you rather
So you
have
take
to
the
make
air,
the
you
sword?
condense it really tight.
Would you rather have them make it with a sword? At least pipes just associate with wrenches. It's
Oh,
not like
it's a
you're
hammer.
gonna try to hammer through a pipe.
Have you trouble, Luigi?
Oh.
But
Looks
Oh,
like-
something else to make this video even longer.
I hope you guys have your tickets ready. We're going to the circus.
now this is the fight I can't cheese. Gosh
You
darn
made
it.
that joke already. All of the jokes already.
now this is the fight
Let's
that I
just pull the
can
plug
spend-
out. It's not hard.
No, burn it now.
Just push it off the cliff.
Oh, mostly boss blobs.
Boss blobs? Are we fighting a booger or something?
disgusting!
Oh, wait. Wait.
Double check.
I don't know that.
I have a
I have-
twin!
Hey guys, give me one reason why I won't do it.
I've engaged.
No! Ah! My brother!
You killed my brother. No!
Don't
Tony
worry,
guys! Tony,
Everyone's
no!
stupid
Don't
except
kill me. Oh, bro,
oh,
that's
this person.
disgusting. That's disgusting.
Hey, guys.
This is even
Ow.
more disgusting.
I like the worm better, but this is just.
I want to
Money.
go.
No, how do you even kill
Ah!
this thing?
Hey, he
you
freaking
jump on its
ground.
head.
You freaking ground pounded on me.
Oh, this
Kill
is
him.
really good. Tackle him though.
So
No,
basically, you
kill
run
him.
down.
No,
here
you kill him.
and live.
Kill him by stomping on him.
Oh.
But hey, guys,
Yeah,
it's better
someone
to
will
just
yourself.
run.
I'll save you.
Run! I don't want to die.
I fear the big cloud man.
I thought I.
I'll save you. Sir. Let me pick you up. You can trust me.
I don't want to die. Don't kill me! Don't kill me! He's going for me! He's going for me! Yay!
Wait.
Hey! Who has a crown? No one does because we all died.
No, fine.
No, I had it if it wasn't for Toad.
1, 2, 3.
Why? What? Okay.
So many.
We are
I know, we're amazing, are we?
This time I'm not gonna actually make it onto the flag.
Yes! Golden flag belongs to me!
Not me.
Finally, my second golden flag.
Yay.
Baby mode? Question mark?
We took a creature nightmare. Yay.
I like how Peach looks like 6 years younger whenever she loses her full.
She is 6 years younger.
No, she is not. No, she's 6. So if you guys pick me up, throw me around, that's
I like how
considered
it's
child
always
abuse, and I
hard.
can file.
I like how it's hard for other YouTubers just to get 10 minutes, but it's hard not to get 30.
Okay.
Everybody died.
Yeah,
I like
you
how
don't
first
see the
episode
world
was
seven
kind of
yet.
uncomfortable, now we're just so calm. The
Oh,
first one we're
yeah.
screaming our heads off
Oh,
about
it's
everything.
It's fine. It's
Roll.
fine.
Guys, hold up. Is this
Second
Yo,
one.
guys!
I
Totally,
don't
we
know-
didn't
I
complete
don't
this
know.
earlier.
Let's find out. We don't want to spoil the viewers.
Guys,
So anyway, guys.
Yowza.
Hey, okay. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and like this video if you enjoyed it. See you later. We hope you have a good day. Peace. Goodbye.
Bowser.
Adios.